Hi folks, today we are going to discuss the basic Java interview question, that is reversing a string, so which is the commonly asked question in the interview. So there are many ways to reverse a string, but what the interviewer will expect is the most efficient way to reverse a string. So let's start that. The first way is by using the string builder. You know the basic difference between string builder and the string. So modifying the string is costlier than modifying the string builder. So because of that we are using the string builder. The second way is by iterating the string till middle of the string. Instead of iterating the string from starting to ending and taking each character, it will take more time than iterating the string and taking the first character and taking the last character and swapping those two. So we'll iterate the string till the middle and we'll swap the digits of first and the last. So let's start with the coding. So first of all, I have a main method here. So to reverse a string, let's create a method. Say public static string reverse method, and let's pass an input string. So final string input. Now let's create a string builder variable which holds the string value. So final string builder equals new string builder of the input, which will hold the input value of the string. So now let's create the length of the string. So int length equals to builder.length, which will hold the length of the string. And now let's start iterating the string till the middle. So for int I equals 0, I less than length by 2 and I plus plus, which will iterate till middle of the string. Now let's take the current character of the string, which will hold the starting character. So final character current equals string builder dot character of I. Now let's take the index of the last character in final int other end equals length minus I minus 1. So it holds the index of the last character so that we can swap with the first as well as with the last. So let's set the builder dot set character. In the first place we will take the last character builder dot character of other end, and at the last place we will store the first character builder dot set character of other end with the current character. So this is how we will swap without using a temporary variable and iterating till middle of the string builder. So we are done with here, and we'll just return the string builder dot toString. Since we are returning a string, so we'll convert it to toString. Now we are done with the method. Now let's call this method in the main method. Let's print the output and reverse of. Let us take some string value. Let's suppose take Java. And let's run this program. So I'm using this here IntelliJ. We have an option called run, and yeah, you can see the output. It's a reverse string. So this is how we are going to minimize the time level of a string by reversing it and by using the string builder as well as by iterating till middle of the string. So thanks for watching and see you folks. Bye.